a string 180 centimeters long is divided in the ratio 2:3:4, how will the longest part of the string be? So in this question, we are looking for the longest part of the string, and the string was divided in ratios. Now the ratio given is 2:3:4. So we first have to find the total ratio. So total ratio is 2 plus 3 plus 4, and that is giving us 9. So 9 is the total ratio. We are dealing with a string. Now the string has a length of 180 centimeters. So length of string and that is 180 centimeters. So let's go ahead and use individual ratios to find the length for each ratio. Okay, so we have the first one. We have 2, which is for the first ratio in here. Okay, so 2 divided by the total ratio, we multiply by the length of the string, which is 180 centimeters. Let's break it down. 9 divides itself 1, divides 180 20. 20 times 2 is giving us 40 centimeters. So that is for the first ratio. Now the second ratio is 3. So we have 3 divided by 9, which is the total ratio, times 180 centimeters. Let's break that one also down. 9 divides itself 1, divides 180 20 times. 3 times 20 is going to give us 60 centimeters. Now the last part of the ratio, we have 4. So 4 divided by the total ratio, which is 9. Then we multiply by the length of the string, which is 180 centimeters. Let's break it down the same way. We have 20. Then 4 times 20 is giving us what? 80 centimeters. Now looking at the individual ratios and the corresponding length of the string that they all occupy, we can see that the highest one is what? 4. And it is having a string of what? 80 centimeters. So the longest part of the string will be 80 centimeters. The longest part of the string will be 80 centimeters. Now let's go back to the options given. You can see from the options given that the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B, which is 80 centimeters.